Hi guys, another product to show you. Cute little box. This is a, what's it say on it? Choose Point Remedies. Let's have a look what we have in here. A cute little honeybee box, isn't it? It is. Oh, look at that. It's a little honeycomb. Oh, it smells nice as well. It's a little honey thing. It's a candle. 100% organic, natural, British beeswax. And it's the Rhoose Point Remedies Beehive Candle gift. Oh, that is so cute. It's a cute little beeswax candle, but actually shaped as a little beehive. That is so sweet, and it comes in a lovely little beehive box. That is really, really cute. I'll link that below, guys. Grab yours there.